Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at the Bosch GET75-6N 6-inch random orbital sander with turbo mode. I got this on Prime Day like a month ago. I've been waiting, so now I'm going to open it up, take a look at it, see what's going on. All right. Not a lot of packaging, which is okay. Doesn't look used. Maybe it is. Doesn't. I didn't buy it used, so maybe it just bounced around in the box. But that is one hefty sander. So this is all that was in the box. We got a guard. Let's see, so this just snaps onto here. Yep. I kind of liked that. That's what I was hoping on. Now there's your direct drive with the gear. Turbo mode, regular mode. Comes with a medium disc, which I kind of like. Your dust collector port out. There's your variable speed. On the back handle, nice easy access switch. I like that. Most of them are pretty good, but I like that switch. Got your handle. Sample disc. 120 grit, your handle. It's like the Allen key too. You can hear the drive difference on the gear. That'll be interesting to see. This take off your sanding pad. That sounds funky. Don't mind the dust. I'm going to bust out. I have some. What do I have? Get these out. 3M sanding discs. I like the discs. I've got a bunch of random stuff in here too. Let's see at least how it sounds or feels on this board. Go here. We'll see how the shot looks. Random orbit. Yep, sawdust. Dust collection's not done yet, but I'm dirty. So, I mean, in all, it's not a bad sander. A lot of vibration. On this part, minimal vibration. When you're using the handle, there's a lot of vibration. It's loud compared to everything else that I've used. It did pretty good. I haven't tried the turbo mode. I was just trying to knock off some of this epoxy. I did not use dust collection because I can't find my hoses. So yeah, bad on me, and I'm not wearing a mask, which is not helpful. It feels pretty good. I went up to 120. Tested the grit that came with it, so I still have to do the backside. I still have a little ways to go to get this as smooth as I would like it to be. I might hit it a little bit more and try it out, see how it does. I got it for 200 bucks on sale on Black Friday, or I mean on Amazon Prime Day. So it's worth it. I really want to see what the turbo mode does. See in the end kind of where I'm at with that and give it some time. This is just a quick unboxing. I needed to use it. I wanted to get it done. Yeah, I mean, I'm impartial to it. I have a couple sanders like everyone else does. I'm not impressed with it 100%. It does good, but I'll have to wait and see. So stay tuned. Yet again, quick video. Thanks everyone for sticking around and watching. Take it easy. Have a good one.